This news video is being brought to you by multimedia reporter Jeremiah Shaver. The Ohio Environmental Protection Agency, better known as the EPA, was in Jackson County as a result of a large diesel fuel spill. At approximately 4:50 p.m. on Monday evening, the Jackson County Emergency Response Team, along with other emergency personnel, responded to the scene of a large diesel fuel spill on U.S. Route 35 eastbound near the Chillicothe Pike exit. According to Hazmat Chief Dave Channel, a 16-wheel dump truck driven by William Nichols lost about 125 gallons of diesel fuel on the berm of U.S. Route 35 when the vehicle's drive shaft broke loose, knocking a hole in the saddle tank, thus emptying both tanks onto the berm of the highway. The truck was owned by Chris Fisher and Sons of Oak Hill. Firefighters from Colton Liberty fire departments, along with the truck company employees, used a multi-purpose absorbent material along with booms and pads to soak up and clean up the fuel spill. During the time of cleanup, the eastbound lane on U.S. Route 35 near the spill was reduced to one lane, while the westbound U.S. 35 lane was not affected by this restriction. Emergency personnel cleared the scene of the spill at 9:38 p.m.